So we highly recommend that you should have background about SQL and RDBMS. During the course, we will be working with Hive and MySQL database. So that's why knowledge of these two will be very helpful. Second thing, like knowledge of Unix and Linux basic commands will also be very much useful during the course, because when we are working with HDFS commands, then knowing these basics will help you a lot. Having a programming background definitely very much required in general when you are working with big data as a developer, but this is a crash course, so we are having one exercise related to Spark. There we will be using a programming language which is Python. So it is not extensively used in this course throughout. We try to avoid it as much as possible, but during one exercise related to Spark, you will find programming code snippets. So if you know Python or Java or any other programming language, then it will be easier for you to understand like what is happening in the code. Apart from that, we need credit card for setting up Google Cloud Platform trial account. This is something which is required by Google, not by us as such. So we want to leverage the free credits provided by Google. So this is one of the prerequisites, so that we want to call out in the very beginning, so that you don't face issues when we are creating a Google Cloud account. And the last one is Twitter account, and this is for retrieving data from Twitter. So we will be setting up Twitter developer account. There will be an approval process, so we'll be submitting an application to Twitter to set up an account. So it is recommended that you should do this thing in the very beginning of the course itself, because approval process may take time from Twitter side. That's why we are recommending you to create Twitter account as well as Twitter developer account, which is created after Twitter account, and we have a video for creating Twitter developer account separately, so you can refer that video and create a Twitter developer account immediately as soon as you start the course, so that by that time you come to that exercise, you have access to the Twitter developer APIs. Yeah. So this is about prerequisites. In case you are not having any of these prerequisites, no problem, you can reach out to us, ask questions like what would be impacted in case you are not knowing some of these things. But I would suggest, like, in case you are not having background, then go through some basic tutorial on web or YouTube, and then you come back to this course. That is my personal recommendation. So very first prerequisite, like basics of SQL and RDBMS is a must. Unix and Linux basic commands is a must. But Python, Java knowledge, it's okay if you don't know much, it's fine. But credit card definitely required for setting up GCP account. Yeah. So this is course prerequisite.